As we age, staying active and pain-free becomes one of our top priorities. But one common nuisance that often sneaks into our golden years is muscle cramps, especially those painful leg cramps that strike at night and leave us tossing and turning. You might have experienced this yourself. You're resting peacefully, only to be jolted awake by a sharp, tight pain in your calf or foot. It's frustrating. It disrupts sleep. And worst of all, it can happen often. But what if there were simple, natural ways to prevent these cramps before they even start? In today's video, we'll explore time-tested remedies and senior-friendly foods that can keep your muscles healthy, hydrated, and cramp-free, without reaching for pills or synthetic supplements. Stick with us, because you may be surprised at just how powerful these everyday foods can be for your muscle health. Let's begin with a familiar favorite. Bananas, a muscle-loving powerhouse. Bananas aren't just convenient and tasty, they're one of nature's most reliable allies for preventing muscle cramps. Each medium banana contains about 32 milligrams of magnesium and over 400 milligrams of potassium. Both of these minerals are essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. When these minerals are low, cramps become more likely, especially during the night when circulation naturally slows down. But bananas do more than provide minerals. They also contain natural sugars and water, which support hydration, a key factor in preventing muscle spasms. So, how can you use bananas to your advantage? Try eating one banana 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This gives your body enough time to absorb the nutrients and prepare your muscles for a night of deep, cramp-free rest. Plus, bananas are rich in vitamin B6, a critical nutrient that supports your nervous system. Healthy nerves mean smoother communication between your brain and muscles, reducing the likelihood of those sudden spasms that jolt you out of sleep. Vitamin B6 also helps reduce inflammation and supports red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles receive oxygen efficiently. Each banana provides about 30% of your daily B6 needs, making it a small but mighty snack. So if cramps are troubling your sleep, start your night with a banana and a glass of water or coconut water. It's a simple, natural step toward more restful nights. Nuts and seeds, tiny, crunchy muscle protectors. While bananas may be the go-to for potassium, nuts and seeds are the unsung heroes when it comes to muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Packed with magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, these small bites deliver a powerful punch of muscle support in just a few handfuls. Let's take a closer look. Pumpkin seeds, 1 ounce provides about 168 milligrams of magnesium, nearly half your daily need. Almonds, 77 milligrams of magnesium and 200 milligrams of potassium. Cashews, 74 milligrams magnesium and heart-healthy fats that improve circulation. Pistachios, 290 milligrams of potassium, more than most fruits. These minerals are especially important for seniors. Why? Because magnesium and potassium are often lost through sweat and urine, and our bodies become less efficient at absorbing them with age. Without enough of these minerals, your muscles become more prone to spasms, especially after exercise or during warm weather. But here's the good news, just a small handful a day can make a big difference. Aim for about 1 ounce, or 20 to 24 nuts, daily. You can sprinkle seeds like chia, flax, or pumpkin onto your morning cereal, yogurt, or salad for an easy boost. And it's not just the minerals, nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, 2 key factors in muscle health. Poor circulation is a common reason for nighttime cramps. By improving blood flow through your diet, you may notice fewer cramping episodes and better overall leg comfort. Just remember, nuts are calorie-dense. Choose unsalted, raw, or dry-roasted varieties, and keep your portions modest to enjoy their benefits without unwanted weight gain. Hydration, the forgotten key. Let's talk about something incredibly simple, yet often overlooked: water. Dehydration is one of the top causes of muscle cramps, and unfortunately, many seniors don't drink enough fluids throughout the day, either because they don't feel as thirsty, or they're trying to avoid extra trips to the bathroom. But even mild dehydration can cause muscle cells to shrink and tighten, leading to painful cramping, especially during sleep or after activity. So how much water should you aim for? Generally, about 6 to 8 glasses per day is ideal. But your individual needs may vary depending on medications, activity levels, or weather conditions. To help with hydration, try these simple tips. Drink a glass of water with every meal. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. Include hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges in your meals. Sip coconut water for an added dose of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, especially after exercise or on hot days. Staying hydrated supports electrolyte balance, nerve function, and muscle elasticity, all of which work together to reduce the risk of painful spasms. Leafy greens, nature's mineral reservoir. If you're looking for a natural remedy that works silently but powerfully behind the scenes, look no further than dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, beet greens, and collard greens are all excellent sources of magnesium, potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, nutrients that help muscles function smoothly and maintain proper blood flow. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 150 milligrams of magnesium, about 35% of what you need each day. Vitamin K, often overlooked, plays a major role in blood vessel health, helping to transport nutrients and oxygen to your muscles more efficiently. Poor circulation is a common contributor to muscle pain, especially in the legs. Greens also contain natural antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, allowing your muscles to recover faster and stay more flexible. Add greens to soups, stews, omelets, or smoothies. Or sauté them with olive oil and garlic for a simple side dish that supports your muscles with every bite. Tart cherry juice, a natural anti-cramp elixir. This next one might surprise you. Tart cherry juice is gaining popularity among athletes and seniors alike for its natural ability to reduce muscle soreness and nighttime cramps. Why? Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce muscle damage after physical activity and calm inflamed tissues. In fact, research shows that tart cherry juice may improve sleep quality, reduce muscle pain, and accelerate recovery, especially when consumed daily. Try drinking 1 small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces, of unsweetened tart cherry juice before bed. Over time, you may notice not just fewer cramps, but more restful sleep as well. Just be mindful of the sugar content, especially if you're managing diabetes. Choose unsweetened versions and monitor your response. Stretching and movement, daily habits that make a difference. While diet plays a huge role, muscle cramps often need a physical solution too. That's where gentle stretching and regular movement come in. As we age, muscles lose elasticity and blood flow slows, especially in the lower legs. Simple daily movement and stretching can keep blood circulating and prevent tightness. Try these gentle exercises. Toe raises and ankle rolls to boost circulation in your feet and calves. Standing calf stretches against a wall. Seated hamstring stretches with a towel or resistance band. Leg massages or using a warm compress before bed to loosen stiff muscles. Aim for at least 10 minutes of light movement or stretching in the evening, especially if you've been sitting most of the day. Incorporating a few slow yoga poses or a brief walk can also help your body wind down and reduce nighttime cramping. When to see a doctor? Although most muscle cramps are harmless and related to nutrition or hydration, there are times when they may signal something more serious. You should consult your healthcare provider if cramps occur frequently and severely. They disrupt your sleep every night. They are accompanied by swelling, redness, or numbness. You take medications like diuretics, statins, or blood pressure pills that may be depleting your minerals. A simple blood test can check for electrolyte imbalances or underlying issues such as nerve damage or circulation problems. A cramp-free life is possible. Let's recap. Bananas, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, water, and tart cherry juice, these aren't exotic remedies. They're simple, natural foods that can make a real difference in your comfort and quality of life. Add in some light stretching and regular hydration, and you're well on your way to fewer muscle cramps and more peaceful nights. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about creating small, consistent habits that nourish your body from the inside out. Your muscles will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more seniors like you. Have a question or your own remedy for cramps? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly tips for aging well, living pain-free, and staying strong in your later years. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay nourished, and stay well.